Daw na pagbuhay ng sales. Wala eh. Bibita ka eh. Bakit eh? Wala, kung gusto naman natin mag-aaral. Wala, ganda rin eh. Ang buhay. Pero, parang hindi nakakawal mo klase. Hindi ako trabaho mo. Oo, pero hindi rin pasok sa pangaraw-araw. Okay ka. Bakit hindi natin tulungan sa inyo? Oo, bakit naman? Bakit naman kayo natin? Tapos ano na lang, pag may ano na siya, pwede na siya, hindi naman tayo kaya. Saka magtuklong pa tayo. Sabay-sabay na ang bagay tayo, para sa ano sa service mo ngayon. Hindi, sir. Pag nakakap na ako, magpapaya. Dalawa, is na pwede na ako eh. Ano? Kaya, pwede na lang ako para sa iba. Sige. Basta ito, ang nakalong mo ito ako siya. Nakasaan talaga ako.
Pagtutulungan isn't just a word, it's just a warm feeling of neighbor lending a hand, the shared laughter during the community cleanup, the unspoken understanding that we're all in this together. It's the heart of Filipino community beating strong in everyday acts of kindness and cooperation that makes our lives richer.
Unlike the grand, sweeping gestures of bayanihan, those incredible moments of collective actions during emergencies, pagtutulungan is a quiet hum of daily life. It's the grandma next door sharing her extra rice, the friend offering a ride, the office mate helping you finish deadline. These small facts, often unnoticed, are the threads that weave together the vibrant tapestry of Filipino society.
It's not just about practically, it's about connection. When we help each other, we build something deeper than just a task complete. We build relationship, trust, and a shared sense of belonging. It's in those moments of shared effort that we truly see the strength of our community. The unspoken understanding that we're all in together, supporting each other through thick and thin.
Think of it like this. Bayanihan is the dramatic crescendo, the powerful surge of collective action during a crisis. But pagtutulungan is the steady rhythm, the heartbeat that keeps the community alive and thriving day in, day out. It's the quiet strength of neighbors, friends, and family, looking out for each other. The unspoken promises that we will always be there to lend a hand, a shoulder, and a listening ear.
Pagtutulungan is the essence of what's Filipino community so special. The warmth, the kindness, the unwavering support that makes us feel we truly belong. It's the human touch, the heart of culture beating strong in every act of shared effort. Every moment of mutual support is what makes us Filipino.